testing airport theory, except we're actually catching a train in Italy.
It is 6:26, train is at 7.
Got caught coming down the stairs behind someone carrying bags, so I missed the first train. I'm in carriage 1, which is, of course, all the way at the end. It is 6:47 though, so we have 13 minutes. We're good. I'm just hot and tired. Made it on the train into my seat. It is 6:51, 9 minutes until departure. Airport theory could never. I am clearly very overheated. It's already like high 80s and it's not even 7 a.m. yet. Luckily I have my little fan.